Hi, this video is supposed to show Caviar2 second generation dot matrix clocks with their 350 dots. It's the back of the clock. All the electronics is on the back pretty much, and you can't see anything. Clock has a pretty cool feature. You can plug in the cable from either side, on the side, or you can plug it in on the back. Let's plug it in on has polyurethane feet and some buttons. Let's plug it in. That's the startup power sequence. There's 16 levels of brightness, and it's auto dimming feature. So it's a couple of hourglasses and an alarm clock. I'd like to show you the setup of the clock. Now the alarm, if you momentarily touch the alarm, it has a temperature also. If you touch this button once, the alarm goes on. Touch it momentarily again, alarm goes off. Once the alarm is armed, it's indicated with that red LED. This LED is dimmable along with the rest of the clock. If you press the snooze button, it shows you the alarm time, okay, as long as you hold it. You let go and it switches back to time. It can display the temperature and the day of the week, as well as date, a month and a year. No, it doesn't display the year, it's just the month and the date. Okay, there's a couple of different hourglasses and a couple of different columns. The time, there are 3 buttons. You can hardly see them, it's very inconspicuous. But if here they are. First is set and then up, down. And to enter the time setup, you just momentarily press this set button and it goes through. You don't have to keep pressing, you just hold up or down and adjust the year. Then you press enter and it's a set up month. So again, up, down, and go back and forth. It's still August today, and then press again date. It's 30th. The August ends actually. Okay. Now you press the day, and you can wind up display. Today we have Tuesday, and then you press again hours. That's in 24-hour format. So at 6 o'clock it's 1800 hours, and again we go to 18, I think it was, right? Minutes. So it's almost 7 o'clock, and the moment we press start it will write in the new time. And that's the hour and date time setup. There are a couple of preferences that you can enter by pressing and holding the set button for longer than 3 seconds. The columns will start blinking, and when they stop blinking, that you're there. And deep menu setup. Okay, now you have certain selections for different columns. You can have animated column like this, or you can have a square hourglass, or you can have classic hourglass. You can have small buttons, columns, or big columns, and then it winds up back to where it was. Okay, Monday, same Tuesday. So you can have different selection of different hourglass or different style of column for every week. Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. The column, if selected small or big column, it can be on, or can be off, or can blink. So default would be probably blink, or default would be hourglass for me. But now press set again, and you go number of dates, number of times the date is displayed, and you can have from 0 maximum 4. So that's programmable number of dates. If you have temperature, either yes or no. If you say yes, the temperature will be displayed just as many times as date. But if you say no, just the date will be displayed. But you can have no date if date number is 0, and then you can select the temperature number. So this is at which second of the minute the date or temperature is displayed. So depending how many of them, if it was 2, you can have from 0 to 30, and it goes up and down. Maybe if it's 3, then 0 to 20, etc. So if I wanted to say at say 7th second of the minute, the date is displayed, and then temperature would be plus 15, and then it would be plus 30, plus 45. So that's the scheme. 0, you can have either crossed 0 or uncrossed 0, it's up to you. It's a funky looking, a little bit computerized 0. Then you have snooze from 4 minutes to 30 minutes. The alarm lasts up to an hour, so you can press snooze as many times depending what the snooze duration is, okay? And the next one is the alarm. That could be very quiet or could be very loud. It's a magnetically driven, it's not a piezo buzzer. So it could be very, very quiet, or you go max. You don't have to keep pressing, you just hold it every second or so, it will increase. But if you make it 15 or what, it would probably wake up the dead person. The alarm will be gradually rising, so you have a time to press snooze or press the alarm. If you hit alarm and alarm is running, it will be instantly silenced. Or if the snooze, okay, let's get out of here. So that's about all is this clock. Oh, how you set up alarm. You hold and wait until this LED is solid. Now you are in the alarm set mode, and you can again go up, down. Let's say 7, and then you press alarm again. Minute 7:45, press alarm again, and the alarm is set, and you can view it by pressing snooze. Okay, so at 7:45 a.m. if the alarm has to be armed, that's arming it. Now press momentary is disarming. So if you press and hold this for a longer time, and that's about it. Oh, I want to show you the dimming feature of this clock. So let's turn off the light. Oops. Let's turn off again. Okay, now it takes a while to achieve total darkness, and the alarm LED, let's put it against the wall, should be really dark settings. It's quite inconspicuous at night. It allows you to sleep at night. Okay, so if you have to be total darkness, and now we turn it on, turn the light on again. So get the light sensors on the back really, so depending where the clock is sitting. That's about it. So that's a second version of a Transofo 5-volt wall wart adapter, and that's the clock. Alright, it measures 12 inches by almost 5 inches, it's 1 inch thick. Thanks, hope you enjoy.